Hey guys, my name is Michael and I'm here to talk to you about some do-it-yourself projects at home that focus on lighting. Let's get to it. If you're still working from home like I am, then you're also still working on a to-do list. Not too long ago, I remodeled my kitchen. I like it, I like the way it looks, really happy with it, other than the color temperature of the lights that I installed. My kitchen's bright white and I want it to look that way. So, changing things up. I recently went to e-conolight.com and grabbed these. They're the Cree Pro Series Downlight. They come in 4, 5, and 6 inch. There's a 90 plus ARI. I think that's great for a kitchen because that 90 plus ARI is gonna show you the true color of the foods that you're cooking. They are dimmable to 5%. They're good for dry, damp, and wet locations. And they have different, you can see the edge here. There's 4 different, there we go, 4 different styles on that. I chose the smooth one because it's gonna fit my aesthetic. And honestly, these things are so easy to install. If you can install a light bulb, you can install one of these. In fact, I'll show you. Obviously, you want to remove the old fixture first. Now to screw the base right into the socket. Open up these flip clips. And push it right in. That's it. Another great feature about these particular lights is they have 87% energy savings compared to incandescent. That's great when you're replacing multiple fixtures. It doesn't get any easier than that. The best part, you can have these delivered straight to your door. Order before noon Central Standard Time, and they ship the same day. So head on over to e-conolight.com.